In today's new energy vehicle market, how can a truly reliable sedan meet family users' demands for comfort and practicality while also fulfilling the expectations of a new generation of consumers for technology and extended range? Today, we turn our attention to the all-new Dongfeng Forthing S7. The Forthing S7 is equipped with its adaptive FSD Suspension System, providing more precise handling in the city and equally stable driving on highways. Whether commuting or traveling, experience the freedom and joy of driving anytime. With its truly spacious interior, the Forthing S7 offers greater comfort for your family. Featuring an extra-wide 962mm front row, a spacious 890mm rear row, and a 541 to 1,303-liter trunk, it can accommodate your lifestyle, from family to the outdoors. In the age of intelligence, we hope cars can understand you like a friend. The S7 supports 120 seconds of continuous dialogue, and a single sentence can execute 3 commands. Navigation, air conditioning, and entertainment can all be controlled with a single sentence. True intelligence is about proactively understanding you. Dongfeng Forthing is committed to creating more reliable and considerate travel options for its users. It integrates technology, quality, and practicality into every innovation. The S7 is not just a car, but a lifestyle for the future. Dongfeng Forthing S7. Spacious, smarter, long battery life. Born for families, designed for the next generation of tech. Forthing S7. Drive beyond comfort, bringing the future closer.